I think exercise is a really important component of maintaining healthy joint. And when you have arthritis, which is inflammation in the joint itself, it can really be debilitating. Just being active in general can improve the joint mobility and keep as much of that mobility and function as possible, irrespective of how bad the arthritis is. So when we talk about things like weight training or some sort of a anaerobic exercise or resistance training, that can really help stabilize a joint. As you do more on the front end to strengthen it, maintain mobility, improve your overall well-being, that's going to be beneficial down the road if you elect to have a joint replacement. So there's a lot of information about this that we have, and we'll be putting more out there. But as it pertains to exercise, I think overall there's an overwhelmingly positive benefit that we all have.